Meditation is a beautiful thing. It can help you realize things you never thought or do things seemingly impossible. It is said that Buddha sat and meditated under a Bodhi tree for 49 days and achieved complete enlightenment. I know that I didn't sit under a tree for 49 days or become extremely wise, but I learned something about myself and the world. There's going to be a Christmas party at my grandmother's house. I didn't want to go and see faces I never recognized. I was the odd one out. I didn't know anyone that well. I never have and still don't. I was always the lost puppy of the family, clinging to my immediate family like a little baby. At the party, there was nothing but chaos in the air. I felt like I was in the Coliseum, surrounded by shouting and laughing. The house had become a battlefield. The only quiet times were when I would sit at the table to eat, and even there the awkward tension in the air was thick enough to be cut by a knife. I forced myself to walk around in circles in the house to avoid someone isolating me and trying to make conversation. I didn't want to talk. I didn't know anyone that well, and no one knew me. I was so out of place, so I decided to find a place where I belonged. I walked out of the house and into the cold sun. It was so peaceful outside. I decided I would stay out here for the remainder of the evening. It was getting dark, and I decided it was time to find a place to stay. The woods behind the house seemed to call for me, so that's where I went. After a while, I found a nice clearing. It was getting cold and dark, so I lied down on the grass to look at the stars. As I was looking at the stars, I realized that I was not the center of everything, and that my problems weren't so bad, and that there was something bigger than what is here. As I returned to the house about a half hour later, I looked at the people in the house from a different perspective. I could see the humor in their once pointless conversations. It was like turning the page of a new book.